I feel like we're about to have a market crash. There's a lot of weird things going on in the market. This crypto crash we just had, $20 billion liquidated. The trade thing was like a nothing burger news event. Insiders are trading it. The same insider that traded it and made $180 million in a day just took an even bigger short against the market. So they obviously know something that's coming. Anecdotally, you look at car sales, homes aren't selling, nothing's moving. There's just a lot of, jewelry. Everything is kind of dying off right now. And I just think we've just been on this rinse and repeat with the market going up and thinking the government is going to step in. All they can do is lower the rates right now. There's going to need to be a 20+% correction before they come in and, hey, stimulus bailouts again. And I can tell you this, there's a lot of companies, individuals, swimming naked. And when that tide, goes out, there's going to be a lot of people in it. A lot of people are leveraged. You're just starting to hear the aftermath of, all the people that got liquidated. And, unfortunately, people are killing themselves. They lost everything. In leverage, you have a lot of poor people using leverage because they've got $5,000 and they want to make $100,000. And then you have a lot of rich people that want to make money on their money and they don't have money coming in and they are using leverage. So it was a lot of rich people, a lot of poor people got wiped out. And, this whole real estate market thing is just the biggest Ponzi. And I'm looking at it globally. These prices make no sense. Nothing's moving. And essentially, the banks are going to own everything because the banks are the ones giving the loans out all this real estate that's going to be worthless or be worth 50-60% less. The banks will be BK, and then they're pretty much just going to nationalize the banks. And when these nationalizations happen and this trillions of dollars in bailouts happen, if you are not in Bitcoin, gold, and silver, you're going to get obliterated on your savings. And you need to have these outside of the system. You are already seeing a run on gold right now. Countless videos, Vietnam, Singapore, Australia, people are lined up to buy physical gold. Paper, gold, and silver is absolutely worthless. Me, I'm paranoid. I already have my stashes in gold and silver. I don't have to wait in line. And you should do that with Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin is going to way outperform gold and silver. And, it's going to be an insurance policy against all this stuff happening. You could be a multi-millionaire one day and not the next. We're going to have what I think is going to be an economic Pearl Harbor pretty soon when other countries don't want to trade in the dollar and we